welcome back to my course. In this video, we will learn about arrow functions. ES6 gives us a new syntax for defining functions using a fat arrow. Arrow function brings a lot of clarity and code reduction. So as you can see on the screen, this is the syntax. So normally we would use the function keyword followed by function name. In the parentheses, we pass our arguments, and in these curly braces, we write a function body. But with arrow function, we create a variable and we store the function in that variable. And as you can see, we don't need the function keyword to define functions anymore. And the equal to and greater than sign is called a fat arrow. So let's try an example to understand it better. So let's say we have this function, greetings. It accepts name and it returns the greetings. So let's say welcome, dollar, and name. So now when I call this function, say John, so this just returns the value, doesn't print it for us. So let's try printing it. And as you can see, welcome John is printed in the console. Now we can rewrite this function. So let's say const mGreetings is equal to. Now we don't use the function keyword. We just simply use the parenthesis. And inside that parenthesis, we can pass our arguments, followed by the fat arrow, which is equal to and greater than sign, followed by curly braces, and inside these curly braces, we can write a function body, like this. So now if I try calling this new function, so as you can see, it prints the same value. Similarly, if there were more arguments, say also age, it doesn't make sense in the greeting to print age, but okay. So let's pass it here as well, say 28. And as you can see, it's saying welcome John 28. So that's how you can pass multiple arguments also. So this is one way of writing arrow functions. There are other syntaxes as well. So you just have to pass one argument, then you can simply skip the parenthesis. So you would simply write name here, and we don't need age. So as you can see, the function still works as expected. Similarly, when there is only one statement in the function body, you can even skip these curly braces. And you won't need to use return statement because automatically this statement will be returned by the function. So as you can see, it still works fine. Earlier, we had to write 3 lines for the same function, and now we can simply write it in 1 line. So as I mentioned earlier, arrow function brings a lot of clarity and code reduction to your functions. And that's a wrap for today.